Hello everyone. Sant Nirankari Public School, Nirankari Colony, on the occasion of the World Environment Day, will take you on a journey where you will understand the importance of preserving our biodiversity. Once upon a time, there was a planet, decorated and ornamented with green gold. It had lush green forest, gushing water, bountiful rivers, quiet and clear lake, and unlimited resources. This planet was called the Earth. It was home to variety of flora, fauna, and millions of microorganisms. A rich biodiversity. Everyone lived happily, helping and nurturing each other. Using all this bounty evolved a new species called humans. It was the smartest and the wittiest. But these humans had unlimited greeds. Instead of protecting and preserving its motherland, it was stubborn to take over all resources and destroy it. The environment of the earth got completely modified due to agriculture, travel, and increasing urbanization with commercial networks. Can we stop all this? Yes, we can. Then let's put our heads, hearts, and hands together to improve and save this environment. Let's celebrate the World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5th. It's a way to appreciate and thank Earth for its beauty and take forward the call to protect the Earth that we share. It is celebrated every year with different themes. In 2020, the theme is biodiversity. Biodiversity, which was once rich and thriving, is now in crisis because of us. All species are interconnected. They depend on one another. They work in perfect sync and connection with each other. However, with less biodiversity, these connections weaken and sometimes break, harming all the species in the ecosystem. Recent events from bushfires in Brazil, Australia, locust invasion across Asia, and now this pandemic COVID-19, they all demonstrate the interdependence of all living beings and the complex webs of life. There is an urgent need to save this biodiversity. But sitting at home in urban cities, how can we contribute to save it? Don't worry, here's how you can do it. Use eco-friendly products and appliances. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Recycling lessens pollution by decreasing energy, electricity, and water consumption and the need for landfills. Use energy-conserving light bulbs. Prefer and eat organically produced items. Conserve your water. Fresh bodies are essential to biodiversity. You can also opt for rainwater harvesting. Take a walk. Reducing your carbon footprint by taking the bus or walking can help protect the environment. Protect natural habitats. Small steps like keeping to walking path and not stepping through flowers or crops can help reduce what is growing there. Help the bees. You can also build bee boxes for native bees to make their home. Conduct cleanliness campaigns. Let all neighbors, friends, family join hands together to keep our surrounding and hence the environment clean. This bountiful of Mother Nature is a gift not only to us but every other living species. It's our duty and responsibility to take care of it and protect it for each one of us. Happy Environment Day to all.